we know this time is Durga Puja's time. And when we remember the Durga Puja's time, we remember the Mahalaya. When we remember the Mahalaya, we remember the Torpon. Torpon, whose father died, and extra Gurujan died, he take the part of Torpon. He can only the Torpon. When he began to go Torpon, they went to the pond or Jalasaya or Ganga, and they stand Nabi Matto, Nabi Jal, Nabi water, and they take Torpon. When he takes the Torpon, he takes the mantra Om Vishnu, Om Vishnu, Om Vishnu, Namo Vishnu, Namo Vishnu, Namo Vishnu. Next, he abound the Ganga. Kurukhetram Gaya Gangang Prabhaso Puskarani Chaho. Kurukhetram Mahagaya Ganga Prabhaso Puskarani Chaho. Tirthan Nittani Punnani Torpokna Kali Toy Bhavanti Ho. Bhavanti Ho. Next, he decides he go to the Dev Torpon or Pitri Torpon or other Torpon. If you want to go Dev Torpon, he stand Purvamukho and they take the mantra and take the water, Anjali water, Brahma Tripam Brahma Tripa Tripotam. Next, Vishnu Stopotam and give the water. Brahma Tripotam and give the Anjali, give the water. Vishnu Stopotam give the water. Rudra Stopotam give the water. Prajapati Stopotam give the water. That is. And they say the mantra Namo Devu Jakas Tataha Naga Gandharva Saro Sahasuraha Skura Sarpa Sukuranasa Taravo Jibhaga Khalaha Vidyadharang Jaladharang Tatiba Kasha Kaminoho Niraharasa Jejivaha Pape Dharme Sachehi Kesamapayana Nitang Diyate Solilangmaya Diyate Tolilangmaya. It is Devotarpon. If you want to go, Manusya Tarpon, that is the mantra. Namah Sanakasya Sanandasya Tritiyasya Sanatanaho Kapilasya Svarisaiva Bodhu Panchasya Sarvaiti Tiptimastu Maddan Vena Sadaha. Next, if you want to go to Rishi, Muni Rishi Tarpon, you all time you take the water and take the mantra and give the water. Mori Stupam, give the water. Oti Stupadam, give the water. Ongira Stupapadam, give the water. Pulostapam, Pulostapam, Kudustapam, Putustutam, give the water. Bosistapam, give the water. Bustatam, give the water. Nasistam, give the water. Next, if you go to Pitri Tarpo, you just a time you do not stay Purvamukhu. You will go Dakshinamukhu. And you say Ogni Sattaha Pitarantu Pantame Tat Sachilagongodakam Tebba Namo Namo Shamma Ristu Pantame Tat Solita Gongodakam Tebba Namo Horismontu Pitaraspu Pantame Tat Solita Gongodakam Tebba Namo Smapa Pitarantu Pantame Tat Sotila Gongodakam Tebba Namo Sukalina Pitarantu Pantame Tat Solita Gongodakam Tebba Namo 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 Ajappa Pitritanta Patam Solita Gongodakam Tebba Namo Namo Pitri Tarpon and Jom Tarpon. জমায় ধর্মরাজ হিতাবে চন্ত কবচাহ বৈবস্বতাও কালাও সর্বভূতক্ষরায় চ কুরুম্বস্বরায় রত্নায় নীলায় পরমিষ্ঠানি বিকোদরায় চিত্রগপায় নমঃ তর্পণ। Give the water. Next, Bhisha Tarvan. Vayagapasyagataya Sankuti Pravaya Chaha Aputrayo Damitam Srilang Vishavarmane. Give the water. Next, you avan your Pitridev. Your Pitridev will come. When you Tarpon, his Atma come there, come in front of you. If you Abohan, you go Dokhinmuki and Abohan. Namo agacchantang me pitaraha hemangrantapan anjolim namo agachantam e pitaremam janta anjolim. Then you give mata moha propitamo vidyapatimo extra mata propitamohi extra. You take the water and take the name and give that pitamo pozamo extra pitamo extra and give the water. And when you abohon, he will come in front of you and take this water. And if you want to give the water the bandhav, take the mantra. We take the mantra. Je bandhava vah jana dharmoni bandhavaha te tipti mokhilang jastume dharmo ko kasinaha. Give the water. If you want to Ram Tarpan, you do not Ram Tarpan. You do not give other stuff, you give the Ram Tarpan. Then you take the water and say the mantra. Brahma Bhavanalokaha Devorshi Pitrimanavaha Tripantu Pitaro Sarvu Matri Mata Mahadayaha Adito Kulokodinang Saptadi Punivasanang Maya Lattenatano Tripanavotram. Give the water. Next, if you take the Lakhan Tarpan, you take the water and with the mantra. Brahmanospasu Jagatadipa Vastranipu. It is the mantra. And if you next Pitri Pranam, when you anubhav, you already anubhav, and you will be, this is Sukhatma, he come with you, and Nirishwar, you will not find by your eye, but you anubhav that Pita. Anubhav. Next you take Pitri Pranam. Pita Sarga, Pita Dharma, Pita hi Paramam Tapohu, Pituri Pritima Panne, Priyanti Sarvadavataha, Petrinnamasya Divi, Jema Muttaha, Savabhujaha, Kama Phalabi Sandhu, Pradana Sakta, Sakale Sejang, Mukti Duni, Navi Sanghite Suhu. Next Korajuri Pranam. Namo Krita Tarpana Karma Chindramastuhu. Korajuri Pranam. Next, Kritasmin Tarpana Karmane. Dadikung Nang Jatagattu Sabranavasa Sri Vishnu Saranam Karishete Yatang Punodekho Sarvajoguswari Horihi Tasman Tishti Jagat Tushti Pranite Pranidang Jagat Pranite Jaganang Jagat. We take the Tarpan, we go Tarpan, and we take this Tarpan. I finished.